So I don't have that much paper left, but this proof, according to my key, is supposed to be a little bit shorter. So here's our problem. Cotangent x minus 1 quantity squared equals cosecant squared x minus 2 cotangent x. So it's kind of tricky knowing which side to start with right now. I'm actually going to go ahead and choose this side because it has a quantity squared. I'm thinking that that's going to be the bigger one once I FOIL that out, and then I'll condense it down to this. So I'm going to start with cotangent x minus 1 quantity squared. I'm going to go ahead and FOIL that out. Uh-oh, we froze. Here we go. I'm glad I looked up. So we're going to square that quantity, and we'll have cotangent squared x minus cotangent x minus another cotangent x plus 1. So what I did was I just imagined in my mind these two little guys and FOILed them out. If you can't do that, you know, it's fine to write a step where you actually write them out and then multiply them. But for the sake of my notes, I didn't have room for that. So we're just going to put over here that we FOILed. Then we're going to combine like terms. So we've got cotangent squared x minus 2 cotangent x plus 1. I'm going to put combine like terms, CLT. Now let's take a look at what we've got. So it looks like we've already have part of the answer here. So I'm going to leave that guy alone. I need to somehow change my cotangent squared x plus 1 into cosecant squared x. If we look back at our Pythagorean identities, that might be one of them. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to look back at lesson 8. Look at my Pythagorean identities. And sure enough, 1 plus cotangent is equal to cosecant. So I'm going to go back over here. And I'm going to rewrite this. These two parts are equal to cosecant squared x. And then we still got our minus 2 cotangent x. And the reasoning there is Pythagorean. And we're done. Okay, so pretty short proof. This one didn't actually involve factoring. It involved FOILing, which is the opposite of factoring. So if you would have started with this side, you might have changed this using Pythagorean and then you would have factored. But I think it was easier to start with this side. So now I'll give you a warm-up problem. And I'm going to try to pick one that's not as hard this time. So let's see. Let's do, oh, all these proofs seem a little bit shorter. That's nice. Okay, let's do one that actually involves factoring. Ooh, that one would be yucky. Let's do, I like this one right here. Okay, we're going to do cosecant x minus cosecant cubed x equals negative cosine squared x over sine cubed x. Okay, so there you go. Have fun with that. Good luck, and we'll go over it on Monday.